Hey, welcome back to Her Tool Belt. I am not much of a gardener, but one gardening project I look forward to every year is my Cascading Planter Box. It's a really simple project that adds a huge wow factor to my yard. So I have some free plants for this Pallet Planter Box on my website, hertoolbelt.com. I used a few free pallets to make this box, but if you don't have access to pallets, some cedar fence pickets like at Home Depot would work great too. So today I'm showing you what I do to plant this box. I've used this for about 4 years. This is my second box I've had. It's obviously seen better days, but it still works each year, so I keep using it until it totally falls apart, then I make a new one. For this project, I need a couple really big bags of potting mix. I got it from Costco, and I'm gonna use some filler for my box because the back corner really doesn't need dirt, so I don't wanna waste it, so I'm just gonna use some filler bottles. I've also used scrap wood. I'm a little low on scrap wood right now, so I'm gonna go for the bottles. Then you'll need a bunch of cascading flowers or greenery or something. I really love using the Wave brand of cascading flowers. These are easy waves. The cheapest place I found them, besides growing them yourselves, is at Costco. They have a tray of 18 for $13.99. It's also really fun to add in some other flowers to your box, like that potato vine. There's the really pretty lime green one and the dark purple. That adds some fun texture to your box and some great color. There's also cascading alyssum or lobelia that adds a different texture and color to the box. So there's a lot of fun you can do with this box. You also need some kind of plant food. I'll add this Osmocote in when I'm planting the box, but then I'll continue to feed the flowers over the summer when I'm watering it. And then the last thing you'll need is some kind of water storing crystals. I've used Soil Moist, or Miracle Grow also has a version. This will help since there's holes in the box. You know, the soil can get drier and you don't want the flowers to get too dry. So this will help keep their roots a little more moist than just a regular box. So let's get planting. If you're reusing the box from a previous year, make sure to reattach any loose planks. Some of the screws may wear out from all the moisture. So going from year to year, I usually clear out most of the dirt. Sometimes I don't get it all. But at the bottom of the box, you'll want to add some weaved fabric or something, just so you don't lose too much dirt at the beginning before things get compacted and the roots keep things attached. So I've been collecting some bottles to use as filler. Alrighty. So with the weed guard or landscaping fabric in the bottom of the box and any filler, a space filler you want to add in the back corner, we're ready to add our first layer of dirt. So our first layer of dirt is going to go to the bottom of the first row of holes, and then we'll add our flowers. Alright, so now we'll add some Osmocote to this layer. Okay, so I take one of the flowers and I just try and get all of the stems together and thread it through one of the holes. Trying to get all of the green on the outside. And then break up the root system a little bit from the block, so it'll want to grow. After your first row of flowers are done, then add in a layer of water storing crystals a few inches behind the roots. Now we'll do another layer of dirt, filling to the bottom of the second row of holes. Okay, same drill again. Add the Osmocote. Another layer of water storing crystals. And then the next layer of dirt goes to the bottom of our top row. Okay, she's planted for this year and I'm excited to see the color scheme come to life. There's a couple things on maintenance. You need to make sure you water it every morning, especially in the hot summer months, or they'll die. Depending on where you live, if your flowers are looking great and then all of a sudden they look bad, you may have some bugs. We probably spray our flowers once every 6 weeks or something, and that keeps them looking beautiful all summer and fall. Really, it's just a little bit of a diagnosis. If you see a lot of holes in the leaves and the flowers are eaten and it's not producing flowers anymore, you probably have some kind of bugs that are attacking, and then you can spray the flowers with a bug spray of your preference. And as you can see, the flowers I just planted are a little bit leggy, and so I don't want the flowers to grow stringy. After a week or so and the roots have taken hold, I'm going to come in here and trim all these leggy plants down, and that'll help promote a more full growth versus a stringy growth. So thanks for watching and happy planting!